Hi there, students. Existentialism, a philosophy. So, to exist, the verb. Existence, a noun. Existential, an adjective. Existentially, an adverb. Existentialism, the study. And existentialistically, wow, another adverb. Okay, let's see. So, existentialism, yeah, this is a philosophical concept. This says that we are all responsible for what we do in life. Our existence gives meaning and purpose to what we do. That the only thing that is important is what we do, the personal values that we have. People can have an existential crisis. You might have heard this one. An existential crisis is when somebody is really worried about the meaning of their life, what their life means. My life has no meaning. I don't do anything. That's an existential crisis. This is where you have a crisis about your own identity. This would be an existential crisis. So, existential. This talks about something that exists, related to existence. So, firstly, we could use this adjective existential, talking about with reference to extinction. So there is an existential threat to many forms of wildlife on this planet. Yeah, they're going to go out of existence, and that would be an existential threat. But existential, based on experience, empirical. Yeah, so your existential experience. Yeah, this is, you act in a way that existence has taught you. You react from your experience in life. Okay, so existential, based on experience. Yeah. Okay, and then let's go into existentialism a little bit more. So, this is the philosophy of Nietzsche and Jean-Paul Sartre. And this is talking about being responsible for the results of your own actions. Yeah, the important thing in life is the experience that you have going through life. Yeah, and this says that you are a free agent in determining what happens to you. Yeah, and the universe itself, or the things that happen around us, are seemingly meaningless. This existentialism says that a God does not exist. There's not a God who determines what you are going to do. Yeah, you are responsible for your own life, and you are totally free and responsible for your own acts. Yeah, and your existence is more important than abstract concepts. Yeah, like maybe justice or love or things like that. So okay, so existential. An existential argument is saying that you are responsible. Yeah, an existential issue. Okay, this is a question about is this going to survive or not? An existential question. Yeah, this is now talking about philosophy. An existential angst or existential crisis. Yeah, you're worried about your meaning, the meaning of life. Yeah, So I think we all need to find our own meaning from the things that we do, and we are inherently responsible for everything that we do. So let's see, existential, formality, 6.5. I wouldn't use it informally, use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something formal. As to origin, it comes from Latin, existentialis, talking about existence, from late Latin, existentia, existence, yeah, that something exists. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Existentialism. Existential.